Here's a little video of detail to paint to engine. Look at this, pay attention to detail. See, I got the wires pulled up. We're gonna put them in a wire loom so they look good. But also take a good look. Please pay attention to detail. This is a 1972 400 4-barrel matching number Charger. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe as we are doing this factory correct. Right now the valve covers, we just took them off. We've looked over everything, which looks really nice and clean. And we're just doing a little more detail. But that's a factory 400 4-barrel right there. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Thanks. God bless. The pro you need to know.